Till now, we've done a variety of gaming PC builds on the channel, even including the recent wall mountable gaming PC. But it's about time we go to the next level, guys, and unlock new chapters in this field and finally go plus ultra. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because as you might have already seen the video's title, I will be building my very first water-cooled gaming PC, and that is going to be like super duper epic. And let me tell you, building a water-cooled gaming PC is no joke, and not everybody can do that because it's quite tough and you need a lot of experience and a lot of skills to actually do that. And one small mistake can actually cost you your entire rig. And not only that, you need some exclusive components to get started with these sort of builds, guys. So consider this video like part 1 to that, and the first product that I require for that special water cooled project has already arrived, guys. And let me tell you, this is a special water cooled gaming motherboard from MSI. So MSI has collaborated with EK. You guys know, right? EK water blocks, these guys are like quite popular for making special mono water blocks and all that custom tubing, looping systems and all that stuff. So they've made this special Z590 Intel motherboard and goes by the name Carbon EKX. And today in this video, guys, I'll be unboxing and showing you how this water cooled gaming motherboard looks like and how different is it from the usual gaming motherboards that you guys might have seen. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here's our brand new water-cooled gaming motherboard from MSI. MSI has collaborated with EK and made this special motherboard to take your experience to the next level. The model is MPG Z590 Carbon EKX, and let me tell you, this is a Z590 motherboard and packs some next-gen features which I'll tell you in this video. It comes in this huge box packaging, guys, which is quite large than the regular motherboard packages, has a picture of the product on the front. It says it's designed for 10th and 11th Gen Intel CPU, supports Intel Optane memory, has EK branding logo, and also says supports PCI Gen 4 solution. Pretty awesome, right? So let's quickly see what do we have at the back side also. So going to the back side, we've got quite a lot of information actually. It says about the performance and the mods and the water cooling solution that you can do with this motherboard. First thing is, it packs some really crazy features, like it's got MSI's core boost technology, PCI Gen 4 solution on board, and comes with a dedicated mono water block cooling for both the CPU as well as the VRM section, and has next gen connectivity features as well, which I'll tell you as in how we proceed in the video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. And as soon as you open the package, looks like we've got some note over here from MSI. It says some details regarding the product before testing, so I'll just keep this aside for now. And as soon as we open the package, guys, here's our brand new water-cooled gaming motherboard from MSI and EK. And along with that, looks like we also got some special accessories also. Like this first thing over here is a special accessory from EK. It says EK Loop accessories with the EK branding everywhere. See, basically, guys, this is a EK water leak tester. Now, this is a very useful accessory to test if there are any leaks in the looping. And let me tell you, you actually have to buy this separately, but thankfully, you're getting this as a free item in this package. Keeping that aside, guys, here's the main mono water block which I was talking about. Let me just show you how a water block looks like. So there you go, guys, this is how it looks like. It's a cooling solution that is custom designed by EK to cool both your CPU as well as the VRM section. Holy moly, now that is what I'm talking about. Just look at the build quality. Awesome. You've got the MPG branding, EK logo also over here, and says Carbon EKX. And especially love this carbon fiber finishing with this translucent design at the top side. And on the bottom side, you've got the bracket and it says please remove this sticker before using. There's also a cable, must be for the RGB lighting. So that's it. That was our first look at this water block. Keeping that aside, now let's check out the main motherboard, the Z590 Carbon EKX. Comes nicely packed in this cover. Let me just take it out. There you go. Oh wow, now that is a beauty. Initial impressions, build quality looks very good. You've got this whole carbon fiber design, and let me tell you, it actually looks very similar to the usual carbon gaming motherboard from MSI. Only thing is, you can observe that there are no VRM heatsinks on this motherboard. That is because we'll be water cooling that using this block. So this block will be cooling both your CPU as well as the VRM section. I'm like quite excited to see the results that you'll be getting, when you'll be water cooling the whole section compared to the regular motherboards. So that is what I'm excited about. Keeping the motherboard aside, you get a couple of accessories as well in the package, like you get a Wi-Fi antenna in the box, a couple of SATA cables, some screwdrivers, stickers, and a lot of paperwork also in the package. Okay, so that was our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you a closer look and then we'll talk about the design and the features of the motherboard. MSI's all new MPG Carbon EKX is a Z590 water-cooled gaming motherboard that features the same LGA 1200 socket from the last gen. That means it supports both the 10th gen as well as the new 11th gen Rocket Lake CPUs. It features a 16 plus 1 plus 1 dual trail power design with a 75 amp smart power stage to efficiently deliver the power demanded by the CPU. The Mobo has 4 DIMM slots as you can see in the video and supports a max of up to 128 gigs of memory. If you ask about the storage, well, the board offers triple M.2 slots with Frozen Shield heatsinks and has 6 SATA ports. I've told you at the beginning, right? This board offers next-gen connectivity features, like it's got the all-new Wi-Fi 6E support, Bluetooth 5.2 is also there, and 2.5G LAN support as well. Not to forget about the audio, even the audio section on this product is special, which is powered by Audio Boost 5. They've used high-grade components and DACs to deliver superior quality sound with excellent signal-to-noise ratio. See, the overall build quality of the board is very good. They've used a 6-layer PCB with 2 ounces of thick copper tracks, a solid water block to keep the CPU running cool, and also the VRM section. And I love that carbon fiber finishing with the fully customizable Mystic RGB lighting on the VRM and the chipset area. Well guys, that was my video on this exclusive water-cooled gaming motherboard from MSI and EK, the Z590 Carbon EKX. It's a beautiful looking motherboard and that water block also shows quite a lot of promise. I'm like super excited to get started with the build right now only, but unfortunately I can't do that because I still don't have the actual water cooling kit. So I'll have to place an order for that also. I'll probably go with EK only. I'll use their Quantum series, but thing is it's actually not available in stock right now in the Indian market. So I'll have to probably import one from somewhere else, and that is going to take some time because I have to go through the customs process and get it delivered now. So it will take a bit of time. In the meantime, I'm still deciding like what other components should I use for this build, like especially the case. What case should I use, guys? Like an open frame design, or let me know your suggestions also, like what type of build do you want to see. Along with that, in the actual build now I'll show you like a detailed tutorial also, like how to build a water cooled PC, like how to bend the pipes, how to connect and join them, how to pour liquid and everything, guys, because it might be useful for a lot of you people. You'll get to learn a lot, right? So I'll definitely do that. And also, should we go like should we do GPU liquid cooling also, like remove that backplate and install a water cooling block there also? This also sounds interesting, so let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, that is it for today, guys. I'm like excited to see what kind of actual real world performance you would see on these sort of water cooled builds. Like how much performance is there, especially in the CPU temperatures, VRM temperatures, compared to the usual AIO liquid cooler. So that is also something I am excited to show you guys. Anyways, if you all enjoyed this video and got to check out this product, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.